It's me, Fuzzlet. Here to see my favorite sibling. Yes. I know you're my only sibling, but I still like saying it. When you didn't answer earlier, I thought you decided to have a really early night or something. I was hoping you were still awake, because I wanted to see you and do some relaxing stuff together. Oh, you were having a bath? I don't know what happened to the spare key you gave me. I think it's in my little purse back at home. Yes, anyway, I was wondering if you wanted to sleep outside today, because the weather's so mild and the sky's so clear. I know you didn't have such a great week, so I've prepared a surprise for you, out in our favorite grove of trees. It's okay if you don't feel like it this evening. We can do tomorrow as well, if that's better. You want to come now? Awesome. Yeah, you can bring your jacket. I don't think you'll really need it, but just in case, eh? Let's go. Ba-da-dum, ba-da-dee, ba-da-doo, ba-da-day. You've had a tiring week, so I'm here to brighten your day. Does rhyming day with day still count? Yes. Technically, it is nighttime, but you understand what I'm trying to say. Huh? Oh, of course. In my opinion, that's what siblings are for. To support and uplift one another. I remember when I was small, well, smaller than I'm now. Whenever I'd get upset, you'd tell me the story about the caterpillar named Dunderbrain, who saw a huge spider's web and thought it was a trampoline, and he invited all his friends to come and jump on the trampoline. That story would always cheer me up. Anyway, over here. I made you something out of magically infused web. It's not a trampoline. Jumping up and down before sleep time probably wouldn't be a great idea, though we could try it on another day. Look, it's a makeshift harp. Well, you won't believe how long it took me to get each note right. And if it rains, they'll go all funky again. But weather looks good, so they'll last a while. All legs crossed. Yeah, it does 100% work. Check it out. Yup. My plan was to bring you out here and play peaceful music so you can relax and have a good night's sleep. And fear not, we will not have to sleep on the ground. Because I made cocoons. They'll be warm and dry. Your one is big people sized, mine is small. See? There's a big hole at the top for your head and plenty of room for your arms and legs. You good? Comfy? Great. I'll play the web harp a bit later, but now I shall give you, my most cherished sibling, a pre-bed puppet performance. I know you've had your share of dealing with difficult people, so I've brought out 3 of my mini hats from my tiny hat collection, and I shall wear one on this leg, one on this leg, and one on this leg. Each leg will be a different character. Hey! Please don't make fun of Fuzzlet's tiny hat collection. It's much less weird than Mother's collection of petrified fruits, or the grocery store owner's collection of mismatched socks. Do you think that's why my socks keep going missing off my laundry line? That's kind of disturbing. Anyway, the performance begins. I'll also be modifying my voice with magic. Introducing Character 1, Professor Silky, wearing a top hat. Good evening, good evening. I am Professor Silky, the wisest spider in the forest. Today we're here to discuss how to handle difficult people and overcome life's challenges together. And Character 2, Mrs. Tangle, wearing a fancy bonnet.
Oh, Professor Silky, I've encountered so many difficult people this week. It's been quite the tangle, if you know what I mean. Sometimes I wish I could stuff them all into a silk burrito and take them home for family dinner.
And Character 3, Captain Weber, wearing a pirate hat.
Arr, Lady Tangle, you don't say. Dealing with difficult folks be like navigating stormy seas. But fear not, for Captain Weber has some tricks up his many sleeves.
First, it's important to remain calm and composed. When we encounter difficult individuals, we mustn't let our emotions entangle us. And especially if they're deliberately pushing our buttons, we don't want them to see it's working. There's nothing like showing them that their words don't have an effect on us. Deep breaths, count to 10,
and imagine them as an ugly pickle wearing a banana stocking.
Yes, a deep breath and not taking things personally can untangle even the trickiest webs of frustration. And don't forget to listen. Sometimes all a difficult person needs is to be heard.
Sometimes all they need is to be eaten. But listening be a fine tactic. And if they still give you trouble, remember, you can always walk away. No need to waste your precious energy on those who seek to drag you down. Exactly, Captain. Focus on your goals and stay determined. Life's challenges are but stepping stones to greater achievements, and crummy folks are but pesky little gnats in the grand garden of life, so we should regard them as such.
And don't forget to take care of yourself along the way. Self-care is crucial, whether it's a nice, relaxing bath or spending time with loved ones, like your favorite sibling, Fuzzlet.
And when you face a challenge that seems insurmountable, remember that you're not alone. Seek help from your crew. Friends and family be invaluable in rough waters. Indeed, Captain. Support from those who care about us makes all the difference. Remember, don't waste energy on ugly pickles. Together we can overcome any obstacle. The end. How did you like my performance? Well, I hope you got something out of it. And that it cheered you up even for a little bit. I call it the wisdom of the puppets. Maybe you can find something in that performance to apply to your life. I just want you to be well and happy and relaxed. I haven't started playing the magically infused drider-silk harp yet, so I'm sure you could potentially be even more relaxed. Yes, I'll start it now. You ready for some sleepy time? Great. Let me think. Okay, you told me some time ago that you wished there was such a thing as starboats. Floating vessels that would sail just above the treetops, winding slowly and peacefully, while those riding it could choose to lie back and enjoy the view of the night sky. Yeah. While I can't give you a starboat, I can create a visualization for one. Alright. Close your eyes. Now, imagine us on board a translucent starboat that glimmers and sails just above the trees. This boat is crafted from silvery starlight and the finest materials, and its sails billow gently in the wind. Our starboat floats gracefully and glides its way through the temperate air.
Feel the sway of the boat as it moves effortlessly, the stars in the sky reflecting off its deck and sides. You see the soft, ethereal glow of starlight being absorbed by its sails. Below us, the trees rustle and whisper the secrets of the forest into the night. Imagine me sitting beside you on the boat, spinning a fine cloth out of enchanted web. Each strand of that cloth is imbued with spellwork and the magic of the stars. This cloth will be used to craft a cloak for my favorite sibling, of course. And I may or may not actually be working on one. I weave the silk while the boat weaves its way around the grove. As we sail onward, you feel your cares and worries and the weights you're holding on to begin to fade. It's as if they're more distant from you now, far, far away. You relax even further as we keep sailing and the night gets deeper. Rest now, knowing that I'll always be here for you, no matter what you need, and I'll weather the storms with you, cheer you up, and keep you company. Breathe easy. Listen to the music. Drift along with the notes and imagine yourself on the boat. All is well.